P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring. Oi! Sake. P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring.
Maybe like that.
And that's it.
So proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleam, a perilous fight over the ramparts we watched were soon gathered.
I was going to say the Roker Road, but it's the Stadium Light, but this is normally a hotbed.
And it'll make a real and lasting difference. Nothing worth doing ever came easy. Treat the word impossible as nothing more than motivation. The future belongs to the people who follow their heart no matter what the critics say. We must
climb them and then get down the other side.
Oh my God! Well, that's just a cliff! Whoa! Whoa, this is a monster. Oh, like I can do!
I remember the Christmas services and stuff as a kid. And the problem is, it seems like a lot of us, we get older, we don't go to church as much because
Christmas for me is a feeling, you know. It's a feeling and it builds, and it's a good feeling. And I really appreciate this time of year. I think
I want you to stick around for that. Now back to the story of the Tug Superior. You may recall the photo of the Edmund Fitzgerald on the day of its launch back in June of 1958. That famous photo of the Tug Superior in the foreground. The Superior was the lead tug during that operation of launching the Fitzgerald back in 19...
And then Mo Salah winning a penalty and scoring it for goal number 10. Right on the group with Dante meanwhile in the box. Challenge from McAllister. Happens as well there. He won it back well. But then he should have given it away. He tried to dribble out of possession in a dangerous area and gives the ball away. Kalioglu, Matoma, left edge of the box. Matoma hangs in the cross. And Kirkes concedes a corner. Probably going to be one of the last kicks of the match. With Gomez, but then in the second half, brilliant pass from Salah into Szoboszlai in the box. What a finish from Szoboszlai! His 10th of the season, and Mo Salah with the...
Something happens to them as they grow. You turn more and more toward Earth, and they experience things for simply self, and procreate more of their own kind. It's really smart. Then everything they do for population.
I don't think I could do it without your help.
I'll always be here to help you, Brewster. Cradle. Oh.
P&J Productions now present pouring ale into a glass.
Bollocks.